Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher. She will show you how.
Hello students, we are here at Bella's grandmother's house. We are visiting, and this is Max the dog, right here, the lighter one, and this is Bella. And this is Rita, Nonna Rita. She speaks Italian and she speaks French. And she loves it when the dogs come over to visit because it gives her something to look at. She interacts with them. She absolutely loves all dogs. Now maybe you've never met a vegan dog before, but dogs can be vegan. And the reason that people choose to feed their dogs only vegan food is because they don't want to pay other people to murder animals for them. You see, dogs can eat kibble. It looks the same as any other dog food, except it doesn't contain the body parts of any animals. Bella has been vegan since August 2017. As you can see, she's pretty healthy and she loves her buddy Max. Max is a lot younger than her though. Bella is 7 and Max is 1.5. He's a bit bigger too, as you can see. Now, when they used to fight like this, I sometimes worried. I thought, oh my God, they're hurting each other. Oh, Max, yes, I love you. Every once in a while, he comes to give me a massive lick on my face. Yes, yes, Max, yes, I know. Stay down, bud. Okay, and I can't remember what I was saying. Max, don't attack me. Oh, you brought me your ball? Where's your ball? Here's your ball. Okay, ready? Throw the ball. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Vegan dogs are healthy. Vegan dogs are happy. Vegan dogs can thrive. Vegan dogs are healthy. Vegan dogs are happy. So why pay for murder? Keep all the animals alive.
So the reason that we have this carpet here is so that they can have a place to wrestle because the floor is a bit slippery. Although they were outside already for a long time. They were outside for at least an hour and a half, coming up to 2 hours, I guess. So what's great about having a dog companion for your dog is that there's no better way for them to get exercise. You could walk your dog for like 3 hours, but if they're wrestling with a friend, they're using their entire body, they're using their mind to try to negotiate and strategize. And you can see that Max and Bella actually really do get along really well, even though sometimes she grabs him by the neck, and I know it upsets Nonna Rita. She's like, Bella's being too firm with him or too tough. But he always comes back for more, and they take turns lying on their back, and you can see his tail's wagging, and they have their own rules for how they play. Sometimes she wants a break and he's just like, come on, let's keep going. Attack me again. Now this carpet, believe it or not, we actually found in the garbage. Those of you who follow this channel know that I am a big garbage picker. I don't like to see things go into landfills. I don't just take anything though. This was a carpet that was rolled up and it looked like it was in perfect condition. It just had a few stains from when it was lying on the grass. It just sort of muddy. So we took it outside and we hosed it with the hose really, really on full blast. And then, oh, sweetie pie. And then we let it dry, and then we checked it out, smelled it, and it's perfectly good. And it's perfect for the dogs because they need something to grip on. And they like playing outside, but they really actually like to hang out with us all the time too. So if your dog is vegan, let me know in the comments. And if your dog's not vegan, then I encourage you to Google vegan dog food, vegan pet food, because why would you want to pay for murder if you don't have to? You know, look at him. He's like, I want her ball. Here, Max, here's another ball. You want your own, or do you want Bella's only? Should I throw it? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna throw it. I think that he thinks that she's the boss. I guess. I think that because he sort of seems to wait. Oh, thank you, Max. That was so good. Again? Good boy. Good boy. Oh, thank you. Whoa, yo, boy, big slobber on me. Yes, yo. Okay, sit down, sit down, sit down. I'm gonna throw it. Okay. 1, 2. Well, throw it the other way this time. Ready? Whoop. There you go. Trying to throw with my left hand. Not too exciting. Good boy, Max. Bella's like, is his ball more fun than mine? Right, so as I was saying, if you have a room full of dogs, and let's say no other animals existed, and you honestly think that your dog needs to eat meat, would you be willing to kill a dog and feed your dog to another dog, or feed another dog to your dog? Like, why would you want to kill any animals if you don't have to? So if these two dogs are here, and you guys really think that one of them needs meat, or they both need meat, you would actually want me to go in the drawer over there in the kitchen, over here, and you want me to go and get a knife and stab one of them in the neck and feed the other. How does that make any sense? She wants a rest. Here, Max. Okay, hold on. Here. Max. Okay. If there was a bag of vegan dog food in the corner, why don't you just open that up and feed everybody, and everybody's happy? See, dogs don't actually need to eat meat. They just need all the nutrients that are in meat. They need protein, they need taurine, they need vitamins and minerals, and you can get all of that. Now, the vet has checked Bella out, and she is 100% healthy, eating her vegan diet. And you can see there's not much difference between the two of them. She has her tail up, so does he. They both like to play with the balls. And they both ran outside for a long time, chasing each other in circles and wrestling. So that's my message for you today. If your dog is not yet vegan, please consider buying vegan dog food and let all the animals live. And that goes for you too. If you are not yet vegan, please Google healthy vegans. Google healthy vegan athletes. Google vegan food. Google delicious recipes. Thanks a lot for being here. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Go ahead and click on them. There's over 1,000 of them. There's different videos too with Max and Bella where they're playing outside. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please press the notification bell and subscribe. And help me get all the other animals out of hell. The innocent chickens, cows, pigs, lambs, turkeys. There's no reason to eat any animals. And by the way, in case you didn't know, Rita is also vegan. She's 81 years old and she has been vegan for as long as Bella has. 4 years. Longer now, actually. La balle est sous la table là-bas. Oh, and this is where he gets naughty. Let's see what she's gonna say if she even notices that he's taken her dish towel. He's trying to go outside with it. Max, you're not supposed to play with that. No. All right, thanks a lot for being here, everyone. She's gonna try to get it from.
No, Mom. No. No.
Oh, good. She knows who's boss. Or he knows who's boss. She's the boss. Oh. All right, thanks a lot for being here, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Do 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 do. I'm trying to end the video. What are you doing? I'm trying to film a blank spot so that they can look at the videos coming up. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm going to put you on the couch. Bye, everyone.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's